Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. Thanks a lot for dropping by my channel. Thank you so much for the wonderful and overwhelming response, messages, feedback that you're sending my way. And thanks a lot once again for the donations and the energy exchange that some of you have sent. I'm really glad to know that the readings are resonating with you. So I'm here to do another reading for you. It's a pick a card reading to let you know what October 2020 has in store for you. What's October 2020 bringing to you? So whatever your situation is, whether it's relationships, your career or general, anything that's going on in your mind, please take your time and choose the pile. This is a pick a card reading and these are 3 piles here. This is the Mystic Monday Tarot deck, pile number 1 with the moon stone on top. This is pile number 2, the Rider Waite deck with the golden quartz crystal on top. And this is pile number 3, the Art of Tarot deck with the rose quartz crystal on top. So you could put the video on hold, take your time to choose the pile. The more you try and get into the energies of these piles, the more you try to concentrate, the more accurate your reading becomes. Also, you could use the crystals, see which pile is drawing you, which pile is calling you, which is the one which is drawing your attention, and concentration is the key. Also, please remember that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. And please use my readings as a general guiding tool. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what we have in store for you, people who've chosen pile number 1. What is October 2020 bringing to you? People who've chosen pile number 1, October 2020 is firstly definitely bringing you divine blessings. Also, I see that whatever has been going on in your life in the past or the current situation, you're more or less content. It's bringing you a lot of satisfaction. It's bringing you a lot of celebration. People who've chosen this pile, especially in terms of your relationships, let me guide you that the relationship is a beautiful one, and there's going to be a lot of harmony in the month of October 2020 on the relationship front. There's a lot of love blooming, and maybe a lot of you could, take the relationship to a next level. Or for a lot of you, there's celebration. There could be marriage, engagement, some kind of a ceremony. Things are coming under control for a lot of you people who've chosen pile number 1. And on the whole, you're getting a lot of clarity. People who've chosen pile number 1, you're getting a lot of clarity. Your intuitions, your own higher self is guiding you in a lot of things that you're doing, and it's going to really help you to take a lot of decisions. Health, wealth, success, peace, prosperity is on the cards in October for people who've chosen this particular pile. Any stressful situation, if there is, especially people who've chosen this pile on the career front or the work front, if you were feeling that there was stress, coming from the past on the work front or the career front, things are definitely getting better. For a lot of you, again, I'm saying things are coming under your control. Whatever you have wanted, whatever you have thought that, things are just slipping out of your hands or nothing is coming under control, this is the time. October 2020 is bringing control in your life, and in a positive manner, things are coming under your control. Also, for a lot of you, success is on the cards. Again, on the work front, on the career front, there's a lot of success, there is a lot of satisfaction. Also, satisfaction is there on the family life, relationships. Again, I'm seeing a lot of harmony here, and things are coming under balance. Maybe some of you are not able to give time to your relationships, or were not being able to balance out your social life, family life, work life, whatever it is. So a lot of balance is coming your way, and like I said in the beginning, there's a lot of divine intervention. Just leave things to God, leave things to the Almighty. It's all planned for you. Surrendering is the key. People who've chosen this particular pile, let the universe guide you, because a lot of positivity is coming to you. And like I said, a lot of satisfaction and a lot of uh, celebration, contentment is on the cards for people who've chosen this particular pile. So whatever hard work you've done in the past, whatever stress that's there has been there on the past, is now ready to give you the fruits of your labor. Also commit, there's a lot of new partnerships, whether it's relationships, whether it's work front, whether it's business, anything on that sort. Partnerships are here to be successful. There's victory on the cards for people who've chosen this particular pile. Your hard work is paying off. That burden, that exhaustion is now ready to finally leave you, and new beginnings are there. Sky is the limit, whether it's the career front, whether it's education. People who've chosen pile number 1 for October 2020, success is here for you and things are here to flourish for you. Confusions that were, if there were any confusions on your mind, if something is again coming from the past, it's getting clearer. Your mind is getting free of the clutter. Like I said, your higher self is here to guide you. Meditation, concentration will really help you to take a lot of your decisions, make life much simpler. Clutter is getting cleared off for people who've chosen this pile. Whether there could have been a lot of things that you could have just put on hold, or you felt that the situation is, I don't have an answer to this situation, or I don't have a plan for this particular thing, so might as well just ignore it or just put it on the side. This is the time to just tap all these things. New opportunities, hopes are here, and expectations are definitely getting fulfilled, whether 100% for some 85%, but yes, things are here to stay. Things are here to be, this is the time for you to prosper. So whether any field you're in, this is the time where you'll prosper. Unexpected gains coming your way. Try and focus your energies on what you really want. Don't just put your foot into a lot of things, people who've chosen pile number 1, because success is there for you. So it's better that you plan everything. You are here to, you should just aim, you should set your goals, and whatever, I'm again repeating, whatever efforts that you've put in the past or you're still putting in are definitely going to be giving you the best results possible. So just keep pushing yourself as much as you can, and rest, just leave everything to the divine, leave everything, surrender. Finances are at the peak for people who've chosen pile number 1. Things are really moving well for you in the month of October 2020. And again, I'm saying that all the confusions, all the things that are bothering you or have not been moving in the past, or some decisions that you had to take which you weren't being able to take because you weren't clear in your head or you didn't really have the answers to it, are now definitely ready to just come back, or are ready to be cleared, because your mind is going to be clear. A big change, a big positive change for people who've chosen pile number 1. A win-win situation is on the outcome for the people who've chosen pile number 1 so in the month of October 2020. The end of a tough cycle approaches. That's what the Moonology cards are also confirming. So on the whole, October 2020 is definitely bringing you good luck, positivity, prosperity. You're very close to achieving your goal and show the world the real you. That's what the Moonology cards are saying. So this is your time to shine. People who've chosen pile number 1, your hard work is paying off. This is your time to just rise and shine and show the world what you really are and what you really deserve, because all the results, everything, all the fruits of your labor are definitely going to be very sweet, are going to be very rewarding. Your rewards are on the cards. And again, in the field of whether it's relationships, whether it's career, whether it's work, anything on your mind is definitely very positive for people who've chosen pile number 1. Keep the faith, keep pushing yourself. Success is on the cards, whether it's small time success, whether something major, but things are definitely very positive for you. Keep just pushing your hard work a little more, because the end of this cycle is coming to a climax very soon. Some of you might be a little stressed also at this point in time, but just keep up the faith that something very positive is planned for you. Balance, again I'm repeating, things are here to get balanced out. So just keep pushing yourself. Satisfaction, accomplishment, achievement, a blissful family life, a very rewarding image is on the cards for you, which means that your overall image, in society, or your overall work or your overall efforts are here to get recognized for people who've chosen pile number 1. So just keep pushing yourself and wait for your results in the month of October 2020. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 1. Please leave in your comments and feedback if the reading was resonant. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Thank you so much once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. What's October 2020 bringing in for you? How's it going to be for you? People who've chosen pile number 2, I see that in the present, there's a lot of balance in your life. And on the societal front or on the work front, wherein your efforts really need to be recognized or wherein your image really matters, things have been good. You have been able to create a name for yourself. So October 2020 is definitely bringing a lot of hard work to you. Success is on the cards, victory is on the cards, but with immense hard work going in from your side. And you will be ready with all the spade work, whatever front it is, whether it's relationships, whether it's career. You will be well, well equipped with your plans. You will be well settled, that you know all your work well. You've done the hard work, you've done your spade work. Whatever hard work you do in this month of October 2020 is definitely going to get rewarded. And it is a positive month because the cards are very clear that your hard work is happening in a positive manner. It's not exhausting you, but you have the fighting spirit in you. You have a spirit of achievement in you. Enthusiasm is coming from, the fire element is ready to attack or is ready to take charge to achieve your goals. And just make your goals, just be very goal oriented, be very vision oriented, so that you don't just keep wandering here and there. Like I said, just be very focused, do all your spade work well, what you really want. Whether it's a relationship, be very clear in your mind what outcome you want on the relationship front, or what is on your mind when it comes to your work front. 3.5 weeks, maybe by the end of October, the rewards are coming to you in a very big manner and a very positive manner, and you will be ready to just take that plunge and be in a situation of get set ready to just accept what the universe is bringing to you, accept the success, accept the victory in a big manner. Balance is coming towards you towards the end of this month, October 2020. And if your on the relationship front, if things haven't been happening on a great note, or if things are just moving slowly, cards are very rewarding, or cards are very promising that your person or you are here to, take this relationship forward or sort out things between you both. It is a time, a blissful time for relationships, but towards the end of the month, there might be some kind of confusions in the beginning, but everything will be sorted out for you. People who have chosen this pile and are on the, verge of starting a family or are here to, think about family planning, yes, October 2020 is the month for you. But again, towards the end, the beginning is not yet very, convincing that things are like very smooth, but towards the end, it's all happening for you. Also, people who are feeling at this point in time that they are overburdened or are really pushing themselves when it comes to work, when it comes to responsibility, any third person responsibility, any external family responsibility, just keep moving, but don't move with your blinkers on. Have a plan, Again, I'm repeating, please, planning and creating a vision, being goal oriented is very important for people who've chosen pile number 2. And by the 18th of October, automatically things will just start taking a turn towards the positive. They'll start setting in for you the plans. The stage will be set for people who've chosen pile number 2. Rest, just leave it to the universe. If you feel that things are not moving the way you want them to, or there's still dissatisfaction on the cards, or on in your life, or if you're just getting the usual feeling of quitting or just pushing yourself away because you feel things are not moving for you, just leave everything to the Almighty. And 18th October is the day toward after which I see a beautiful change coming in your life. And also I see new beginnings, new hopes, a bright future, a rising sun coming out. So all this stressful situation is definitely going to fade away towards a better tomorrow, a better future. There might be situations of dullness at present, confusions, also walking away from people. For some of you, maybe the relationship has really come, at a point where you feel that there's no hope for tomorrow, there's no returning back. So just let things be, don't push anything further. If these things are just stagnant, let them be. The time will come automatically for the result to happen, whether you just get back to the same person, or you find somebody else, or you move on. That is, again, it's a general reading, so to each his own. But you just need to clear all this clutter. Don't hide things from people. Don't be negative towards people, and there's no need to be dishonest to your person or hiding things. That's very important. Don't hide anything from anybody. And also just release all the negativity. Once that's done, I see the relationship flourishing. I see love again entering your life. I see peace and prosperity coming back to you. So at this point in time, just leave everything, focus on yourself, be goal oriented, people who've chosen pile number 2. And within this October 2020, by the time it's towards the end of this month, you are ready together to again conquer. You're ready together, be back with another plan. The stage is set for you. And I'm again repeating that the pile number 2 people who've chosen this pile, this might be a little tough relationship period for people who've chosen this pile for relationships, but whatever outcome comes out of it is definitely a positive one for you. Keep making your wish, keep connecting to the Almighty, keep connecting to God. It's very important. Praying for people who've chosen pile number 2 is extremely important. You might be overburdened, but the month end brings you a lot of contentment, a lot of family bliss. Relationships will again start blooming. A big change coming your way, but towards the end of the month. So please just hang in there, keep pushing yourself. People who've chosen pile number 2, don't make any decisions if you think that you're not capable of doing it at this point in time, or if you feel that you really don't have the answers. Don't do anything new in the beginning. Just keep taking things as they come. Just let the universe guide you towards the right path, because maybe you are so exhausted, you're so tired, anxious, stressed that you might not be able to make the right decisions at this point in time. 18th October, post that, things will start getting better for you. Know that you just need to leave your mind right now like children. Just let your mind be childlike. Don't think. Like I said, that's what the Rider's Waite card said, and that's what the Mystical Wisdom cards are again confirming. Just go with the flow. Let things happen. It's amazing how these cards are just going hand in hand with each other. Whatever the Rider Waite cards have said is exactly what the Mystical Wisdom cards are saying, that just go with the flow, let things happen the way they are. Be childlike, just be innocent without really thinking or without really fearing what tomorrow has in store for you. Things will start working out automatically. Live life to the fullest at this point in time. Don't plan anything, don't think about anything. Whatever is happening, just let it be. Be positive, cheer up, and live in the moment. That's what the cards are saying. Don't think about tomorrow. Don't think about what's in store for you. Let go of the past. Be in the present and just seek clarity. That's what the Rider Waite cards have also confirmed, and that's again the Mystical Wisdom cards are saying, that seeking clarity at this point in time, being goal oriented, cheering up is the key for people who've chosen pile number 2. New beginnings are here. Begin your life on the with a new beginning, but by the end of October, new beginnings will start happening for you. Pursue a lot of spiritual growth. Personal enlightenment is very important for people who've chosen pile number 2. It would give you a lot of clarity, a lot of insights about exactly your situations, what exactly has gone wrong, where you've not been able to, prove yourself, or anything on any relationship, any work front, anything that's bothering you. Enlightening yourself, pursuing spiritual growth is extremely important for you at this point in time, people who've chosen pile number 2. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedbacks in the comments section if it was. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Thank you so much once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3. The Art of Tarot deck. What's in store for you in the month of October 2020? People who've chosen pile number 3, it's a time of achievement, October 2020. It's a time of gaining, it's a time of gains, as well as doing stuff the way you really want it to happen, having a control in your life. The wait for a lot of you is getting over in the month of October 2020. Maybe things weren't really in your control in the past and you've been putting in efforts but weren't getting rewarded, or that control that you really wanted to gather was not coming your way. Maybe life was very stagnant. You were successful but you didn't really know whom to share this success with. So on the whole, it's getting you a lot of contentment this month. The stage is going to be set for you. You will be able to execute your plans. Maybe you had a lot of plans on your mind, but your execution was lacking, or something on the financial front was lacking. Somewhere something wasn't really working out in the past. So that last piece of the puzzle is ready to just get put in the month of October 2020 for you. A time of lot of financial gains. Weight is getting over for people who've chosen this pile. A time for, your family life is here to bloom. Relationships are here to bloom. And any help that you needed on any front, the universe is here to provide you that help. Maybe you were waiting for a help to come, whether it was your financial help or a help in the relationship front, or you were stressed out about certain things and you needed some kind of guidance. So that guidance is coming your way. You will be guided by the universe itself in the right way. The universe will make you flow in the right direction. For some of you, if you were thinking of finding the right person for you, whether it was an arranged marriage or finding the right person for love marriage, anything on those lines, this is the time. Things will start happening. People will start coming in front of you. Destiny will automatically guide you to the right person. When it comes to the relationship front, things are coming under your control. Your hard work is going to be paying off. Love, peace, prosperity, health, wealth. A beautiful time coming for people who've chosen pile number 3. Celebration is on the cards for you. People who've chosen pile number 3, October 2020 is bringing you a lot of celebration, a lot of balance, movement, shifting, change of job, anything major on your mind, marriage, career, change of career, anything on those lines is happening for you in this month. Your intuitions will guide you. Your higher self will guide you. Listen to your gut feeling. Listen to what your inner self is telling you. Also, 15th to 18th October 2020, post that is a wonderful time. Even October becomes a wonderful time for you, but post 15th to 18th October, things start really getting very positive for you. Maybe you've been exhausted in the past. You've really put in a lot of hard work. You've not been able to, take out your emotions. You've not been able to cleanse your mind because of some past phase that's brought you a lot of emotional hurt or anything. It's time for you to release the negativity. It's time for you to take out these negative emotions and get ready for a better tomorrow, for a new tomorrow. Any confusions on your mind, again, for people who've chosen pile number 3, especially on the relationship front, these confusions get over, and whatever stress, exhaustion the relationship is bringing to you, or this there might be a third person, a love triangle, a three-party situation in your relationship coming from the past. This is now the time for things to get better. Your relationships, your partnerships are now ready to again take a new shape, again take a new route. Satisfaction is on the cards. The feeling of achievement, the fire element in you is extremely strong, and enthusiasm about achieving your goals is extremely strong for people who've chosen this pile. Pile number 3, women who've chosen this particular pile and are ready to start something of their own, whether a venture, whether work, career, any big decision, any change in career that you want to make at this point in time. This is a wonderful time for you. And again, I'm repeating, for people who've chosen this particular pile and you're ready, you are on that stage where you want to get married, whether it's men or women who are trying to find the right partner for themselves. October 2020 is definitely the month for you. Opportunities, a lot of new opportunities coming your way, a lot of choosing, decision making is happening in this month for you, and all on the positive note. So any dullness, anything that's going on from the past, again I'm repeating, maybe some of you had a relationship issue coming from the past. It's definitely getting sorted out now in this month, and your expectations and your goals, you have to be absolutely goal oriented, vision oriented. See what you really want, because nature is here to offer you a lot of positive stuff, new beginnings on all fields, on all whether relationships, whether it's work, whether it's education, whether it's career, everything is here to come to you, people who've chosen pile number 3. And for a lot of you, it's going to be a complete package. This particular month is going to be like as if you achieved the world, because everything will start moving for you on all directions in a very positive manner, and contentment and satisfaction is here. And for a lot of you, your relationship in this particular month is ready to just leave all the negativity that's coming from the past. It's ready to or maybe you're in a new relationship. It's going to be a very beautiful time with you and your partner. You're going to really feel that your relationship is here to stay. And for a lot of you, whether it's arranged marriage or you're looking for somebody, this is the time October is offering you. Also, you must learn to just trust others. So like I said, maybe there's some kind of a third party situation that's coming from the past. Release your negativity, get away from all the emotional turmoil that's in your mind. Trust your person, give them a second chance. Also, if there's something happened in the past and now you're in a new relationship, learn to trust your person. Don't keep that energy that you have coming from the old relationship. So it's very important for you to trust others. This particular pile number 3, is bringing you celebration, especially for couples. This is a beautiful file for couples, also for people who are in relationships, or if you're finding somebody, there's going to be celebration, bliss, happiness all around your life. This is the time to live in the moment, enjoy yourself, enjoy every second of this month, spend time with your family. Like I said, this is a wonderful time for relationships as well as family, relatives. Persuasion and kind words will help you save your relationship. So anything coming from the past, there has been a past, something coming from the past, now just let it be and go with the flow. Be ready to take this relationship for a new tomorrow. A partnership in a new or an existing venture is possible. So this is a wonderful time for partnerships. That's what the Art of Tarot cards have also confirmed. Also, just remember to follow your person's advice. Like I said, this is a wonderful time for relationships. Your couples, follow your person's advice. Be grateful for all that you have. Remember to find happiness in the simple things of life. Expect miracles and inner guidance. Look beyond yourself and don't be afraid to aim high. That's what the miracle cards are saying, that just your aura needs to be extremely positive, because the universe, the nature has too much to offer you in this particular month. Like I said, it's going to be more like you achieved the world, you've got everything. It's more like a package that you've achieved. So just be very positive, keep your aura very positive, let your positive aura attract people, And again, I'm repeating, this is a wonderful time on all fronts, especially relationships, and for people who are trying to, sort out things in your relationships. Just forget the past, trust your person, and move forward on a new slate. So that was for you, pile number 3. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedback if it was. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much once again. I'll be coming back with more such readings for all you people. Take care and stay safe.